So in this video, we're gonna put some, what you call this, towable,
Coupling, yeah.
a coupling into the other side of this
Yeah.
lorry. What you call this? Carriage?
A bogey.
Bogie. So
Oh, yeah.
that's one in there. That's the spring.
Okay.
Is that much? Then the another spring.
Okay. Now we're going to have to put
Now we're gonna put the
few
nuts,
spaces there.
the big nuts like this.
Yeah, but I've got. Where'd I?
So as you can see, this one is hanging down because it doesn't have a stabilizer like this one, like a brace. So it's rusted. That's why that one will be dingaling ding dangle. We will dangle on the dirt. So we'll just clear some thread in here. This is a dye nut. Just to clear a couple of threads there. I think it's tight. Remove it. Okay. So this must be, I don't know what number. Anyway. So we got some spring washer. What's that?
I've got spring washers.
Flat washer. What number is that?
Big.
Big?
Triple big.
Okay, donut.
Quarter one of those.
So we have a set of washer. How many you gonna put?
Probably going to have to put both of them. Plus that one. You can lift that if you like. Just then I can take it up. Okay.
Okay, it's not dingle dangle anymore. I thought it's because there's no stabilizer, it will dingle dangle.
No, see, the stabilise there. Yeah, if you've got heavy duty railway pulling sideways, but we don't exercise that sort of. Jesus Christ.
Oi! It's not square anymore.
So, you were supposed to hold it.
I did, but it's very hard.
I don't have the grunt.
Huh?
I don't have the grunt.
You don't have the grunt?
The hot to do both.
Okay, I'll do this one.
You reckon you can?
Oh my gulay, it's very
Okay. So that's called no grunt.
no grunt.
Hanging off.
Okay. Oh my god.
Oh, we might be in trouble.
We're in trouble?
Well, we might have to go the other way now. Huh?
Oh shit.
You all right?
Why?
Well, I've run out of thread. Remember I said I should have taken the thread further?
Ah.
So, the thread is rusted further on and corroded, and it's built up to the point where I need another
Another washer?
Yeah.
You put a spring instead of washer?
No, I'll put 2 springs.
Okay.
We don't have many of those old flat
Okay.
washers, you know. Oh, can you lift it up a tad just till I get a thread started?
Okay.
Ooh.
Oops. Sorry.
Just that'll help you a bit.
Okay.
Won't help me though. Well, you don't want to go too far down because you lose the advantage.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Well, you might be able to handle it. No, the whole idea is got to be as close to the end as possible to be able to withhold it. Wrist. You right?
Yep.
Oh, well, I'm not. Oh, shit. Oh, Jesus.
You ran out of grant.
I think we've run out of thread again.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, that'll be alright anyway.
Okay, I think we managed to move.
It's only for towing the pot plants around.
Okay. We managed to put the coupling. I thought it's a tow bar.
Well, it's a tow bar
Tow bar.
with a coupling, a draw bar, other bar,
Okay.
other bar.
It's quite big. Okay, let's do a little bit of chia.
Right?
Yep. Oh my god. It's painful.
Alright.
Okay, that's it.
That'll do.
So the difference of these two, this one, you have this pinhole, so the spring won't come out. I mean the nut won't come out. And this one, there's no pinhole. So we have 2 spring washer there and 2 washer and just a nut. So it's a light towing carriages, and it will do for now. Ding ding, consider subscribing.